Hi and welcome to day 14 of Mysterious March. Today we are doing tardigrades. So I've got a bit of an image here. It's not clear, it's a bit hard to see and I can't get rid of that glare. But we've got this guy here, these tardigrades, and let me tell you all about him. I'm not going to give anything away yet. Fine, there we go. Okay, so what is it? They are near microscopic sized animals which are almost indestructible and can survive in the harshest of conditions, from crushing pressures to radiation to freezing temperatures and the vacuum of space. They are also called water bears or moss piglets. So where are they found? There are about 1,300 species, 1,300 species of tardigrades, and they are found worldwide. They favour films of water on mosses and lichens. They require a very thin layer of water to live in, making them aquatic. But they can be found anywhere, even dehydrated on mountaintops, deep sea, and even in mud volcanoes. So what makes it mysterious? In different experiments, tardigrades have been able to survive temperatures over 149 degrees Celsius and negative 272 degrees Celsius, which is as cold as it's possible to get. They can undergo a death-like state called cryptobiosis. They are very thin and tiny, but some can still be seen just by the naked eye at 0.05 millimeters to 1.2 millimeters or 0.04 inches. They are considered microscopic. Tardigrades are short and plump, barrel-shaped organisms with 4 pairs of limbs, each ending in 4 to 8 claws or suction discs. If the moist environments they prefer starts to dry out, the tardigrade is capable of losing up to 85% of its body's water. It then shrivels up and enters a state of cryptobiosis. A dormant tardigrade is called a ton. It can survive like this for 30 plus years. Experiments have even concluded that they can survive, some species can survive 100 years without moving or feeding. When normal conditions occur, the tardigrade can take in water, swell up and go back to its normal self. They can survive ionizing radiation at 100 times more lethal than the dose lethal to humans. The important thing to note here is that the tardigrades don't adapt to their environment, they just hold out for their perfect environment, then revert back to their old behaviours. So they are not extremophilic, which means the animal would adapt to a new environment. The state in which the tardigrades go into cryptobiosis is thought to be due to high levels of a particular sugar and proteins protecting their membrane. It is estimated that tardigrades have been around for over 600 million years, where dinosaurs first appeared only 230 million years ago. Have you seen the TV show 3 Body Problem? It's actually on Netflix here in Australia, but you would see, if you watch that, you would see that some of the behaviours that happen in one of the characters in that are based on tardigrades, let's just say. So I thought that was an interesting little fact there. So looking at tardigrades and their physiology can greatly help scientists with research in inhabiting new ecosystems, farming management for crops and vegetation to help plants develop drought tolerance, being able to store medications and their proteins in varied temperatures at chemists and in trucks and things when they're being delivered. Using tardigrades as subjects for outer space research is a big field, an area of interest, and studies relating to extreme temperature shifts such as surviving in volcanoes or pressure at the bottom of the ocean or again in outer space. It is amazing what science can discover by looking at species like the tardigrades. And might I just add in there, never doubt nature. You can always look to nature for all kinds of things that we can place into bettering human society. So thank you so much for listening to those facts and for watching another video. I really appreciate all the views I'm getting, and I will see you in the next video. Now onto some drawing and I'll finish it off. Thanks so much. Bye.